Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a watermelon Kumihimo braid, which is available on Friendship Bracelets net under pattern K3032. This bracelet is super easy to make and will be a perfect addition to your summer bracelet collection. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. To make this bracelet you need 16 strings. 2 light green strings, each 120 centimeters long folded in half. 2 dark green strings, each 120 centimeters long folded in half. 3 red strings, each 120 centimeters long also folded in half. And 1 black string, 150 centimeters long also folded in half, which we will use to make the loop. The thread I am using is anchor thread and I will link it in the description below. To make this bracelet you also need a Kumihimo disc. I made mine out of cardboard and it has 32 notches. I will link a tutorial on how to make it in the description below. In case you'd like to buy yours, I will link some in the description as well. I already made a basic loop at the beginning of my bracelet. If you do not know how to make it, I will link a tutorial in the description below. Now, let's start braiding. Push the loop through the hole in the center of the disc and hold it on the other side with your fingers while you attach the strings to the disc in this order. Take the 2 light green strings and attach them on top of the disc. Then, take 1 red and 1 black string and attach them to the disc while making sure there are 2 free spaces between the first 2 strings we attached and these 2. Then, take 2 red strings and again attach them to the disc while making sure they are separated from the previous strings we attached to the disc by 2 free spaces. Continue attaching the strings to the disc based on the pattern, always making sure there are 2 free spaces between the strings we attach to the disc. Once done, adjust the strings a bit so that the loop, which we pulled through the hole, is in the center. And the strings are prepared. These are the starting positions of the strings, and you will know you made a full circle once you get them in these positions again. Start with the bottom strings, the ones in the middle. Take the left one, bring it up 180 degrees and place it into the free space on the left. Then take the top far right string, bring it down 180 degrees and place it into the free space on the right. Turn the disc 90 degrees counterclockwise and repeat the process. Place the bottom left string on top on the left side and the top right string on bottom on the right side. Again, turn the disc 90 degrees counterclockwise, place the bottom left string on top on the left side and the top right string on bottom on the right side. Continue doing so until you make a full circle, when you will again have your strings in the starting positions. Also, make sure to untangle the strings hanging at the bottom every now and then to avoid them getting all tangled up. And that's a full circle. Now all the strings are in the starting positions again. Now, before I make a few more full circles to show you how the bracelet is forming at the bottom, a small tip. In case you need to take a break, leave your strings in the starting positions, or place the bottom one on top so you know where to begin once you get back to it. I made a few more full circles, and you can see how our bracelet is forming at the bottom. Another tip, make sure to pull the bracelet down gently every now and then to make it look prettier. Continue braiding until you are satisfied with the length of the bracelet. Then take the end of the bracelet and hold it firmly with your fingers, as close to the base as possible, while you remove all the strings from the disc. Continue holding the end until you remove all the strings to avoid the bracelet unbraiding. Then tie a knot and finish it with twisted ties. If you do not know how to make twisted ties, I will link a tutorial in the description below. And that's it. Your watermelon Kumihimo braid is done. Do you like it? Will you try to make it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!